In this video, we pay attention to an simple integral calculus problem. We have the integral from 0 to 1 of the function t times cos hyperbolic t dt, and we have to show that this is strictly less than 1. Here, in order to do that, to derive the result, we will use integration by parts technique. So I take my original integral, this is my integral. I can write it in the following way, integral from 0 to 1, t times sine hyperbolic t prime dt. This is because when I take the derivative of sine hyperbolic t, it gives me the cos hyperbolic t. The derivative of this, of sine hyperbolic, gives me cos hyperbolic. Now I can employ the integration by parts. So it's t times sine hyperbolic t 0, 1 minus integral from 0 to 1 derivative of t with respect to t sine hyperbolic t dt. Let's continue. This is t sine hyperbolic t. I will leave that as it is for a moment. Minus the integral from 0 to 1 sine hyperbolic of t dt. So this is t sine hyperbolic t 0, 1 minus the integral from 0 to 1 of cos hyperbolic t prime dt. So this is t sine hyperbolic t 0, 1. I rewrite the expression minus the integral from 0 to 1 cos hyperbolic t prime dt. This is cos hyperbolic t. So this is 1 sine hyperbolic 1 minus 0 times sine hyperbolic 0 minus cos hyperbolic 1 minus cos hyperbolic 0. This term vanishes. So this is sine hyperbolic 1 minus cos hyperbolic 1 plus cos hyperbolic of 0. Now what do we have to do? Sine hyperbolic is e minus e to the minus 1 divided by 2 minus e to the 1 plus e to the minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the half difference and this is half sum, plus cos hyperbolic 0 is 1. So this is e to the 1 minus e to the minus 1 divided by 2 minus we need to do some computations here. So this term and this term go away. I have 1 minus 2 e to the minus 1 divided by 2. So this is 1 minus 1 over e. And this is strictly less than 1.